Stop doing that. It's torturing your vehicles. Yep, stop. Oh, I'm speaking up to the vehicle. Stop doing this. Oh, I'm speaking up to the vehicle. Stop.